The truth about mixing Nescafe with garlic. Does it improve male performance? In this article, we will talk about the potential benefits of both Nescafe and garlic, and we will explain how to prepare this mixture at the end of the video if you are interested in trying it. Potential benefits of Nescafe and garlic for sexual health. 1. Nescafe. Nescafe contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that increases blood flow in the body, which may improve blood circulation to the genitals. Some studies have shown that drinking coffee may have a positive effect on sexual performance, especially in men, by enhancing erections. 2. Garlic. Garlic is known for its circulatory enhancing properties, thanks to compounds such as allicin, which helps dilate blood vessels. Garlic can boost the production of nitric oxide, a compound that plays an important role in improving erections. Garlic is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, which enhances the overall health of the body. How to prepare Nescafe and garlic mixture. Ingredients: a cup of hot water, a teaspoon of Nescafe, a clove of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of honey, optional to improve the taste. How to prepare. Boil a cup of water, then add Nescafe to it. Mash the garlic clove well until it becomes smooth. Add the crushed garlic to the Nescafe cup and stir the mixture well. If you want to improve the taste, you can add a teaspoon of natural honey. Consume the mixture in the morning on an empty stomach to achieve the maximum potential benefit. Tips and warnings before use. You should consult a doctor before using this mixture, especially if you suffer from any health problems such as stomach ulcers or blood pressure disorders. Eating garlic in large quantities may cause strong breath and digestive problems for some people. Excessive caffeine consumption may lead to anxiety or insomnia, so it is preferable not to exceed the recommended daily amount.